Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome to Stylish Women Selection. Welcome to another day. In this video, we will discuss leather leggings. Leather leggings are a versatile and a stylish piece of fashion that have gained significant popularity due to their edgy, sleek appearance and comfort. They are often made from faux or real leather, with faux leather leggings being more affordable and animal friendly, with real leather provides a natural, authentic look and feel. Here are some essential things to know about leather leggings: styles and fit. High-waisted offers tummy control and a flattering silhouette. Moto style features ribbed or a culty panels for a more rugged bike look. Skinny feet fit close to the leg, giving a second skin to their sleek and elongates the legs. Often worn with heels, striped leggings provide a unique twist to traditional leggings by looping under the foot. Cropped or ankle length for a fresh casual vibe, these can be styled with the boots or sneakers, paired with an oversized sweater, denim jacket, or a hoodie, and add sneakers or comfort boots for a relaxed look. Wear them with a pair or a bomber jacket, graphic tee, and ankle boots to appearance more. They can add a touch of glamorous of the beauty. Pair them with a leather bomber jacket, dress them with a tailored blazers like blouses and heels, making them office appropriate or ideal for evening events. For a sporty feel, match with a crop top, puffer jacket, and a chunky sneakers. Real leather, durable edges, beautifully overall time, and has a unique, genuine texture. However, it requires more care and it's often pricier. Faux leather, more budget friendly and low maintenance, but need not long as real leather. Some faux leather can mimic real leather appearance very closely. Avoid heat. Keep leather leggings away from direct sunlight or heat sources, which can cause them to dry out and crack. Spot clean. Use a damp cloth with a mild soap for small stains or invest in a leather cleaner if they are made for real leather. Hang them to prevent wrinkles and keep them in a cool, dry place. Are you looking for more styling ideas for your chair? You have to specific leather leggings in your mind.